Dina Wolf here.
Hi guys, Velia person.
We're going to be talking a little bit about sleepy time rub.
Yay!
So our children also will help, benefit from the soothing massage with their special sleepy time rub. And this is a light, airy whipped lotion with a that will help soothe and support healthy skin, as well as promoting a great night's rest.
We're ready to go to bed then.
All right. I'm getting sleepy making these sleep time videos.
So to whip up sleepy time recipe, you're going to need 1/4 cups of shea butter, or you can use cocoa butter, whichever you prefer. 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and 15 drops lavender, 9 vetiver, 7 drops of frankincense. So you can also substitute any of the above oils with like ylang ylang, Roman chamomile, cedarwood, sandalwood, serenity, clary sage, or the invigorating berlin, which is the citrus bliss. So all these oils promote relaxation and a restful night's sleep.
I love it. So directions for those are to add the coconut oil and the shea butter to a small pan, and you're going to melt that down till it's completely melted. You're going to let that rest for about 10 minutes on the counter. Okay, set it aside. Then you're going to add the essential oils to the pan, and then you're going to put that in the fridge for about an hour. And you want it to be really firm, but not too hard. And then you're going to whip it with an electric mixer until it softens and kind of like forms little peaks. So almost like shaving cream kind of. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
It's going to get kind of whippy. And so that's going to make about a 1/2 cup. Okay.
So then how do you apply that, right?
Yeah.
Let us know, Dina, how are we going to apply that and where?
Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a small pea-sized amount and you're going to massage that into the feet or your children's feet before bed. And then you're going to sleep.
Yay! Directions for use concluded.
Nice and easy.
Yeah, nice and easy. Question for you. Would you like to use the rub only on your kids or on yourself too? Great question.
If you haven't done it already, like and subscribe.
Bye.